To turn on or turn off phone charge reminders or notifications vibrate in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then tap show notifications. Tap settings, and then tap show notifications are active if you turn on show notification, and if turn off, tap show notification are paused. And then tap turn on live transcript and show notifications. If off, tap show notifications switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down, tap phone charge reminder, and then to turn on phone charge reminders and notification vibrate, tap vibrate switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.